the chocolate tower French toast. At the Bongo Room in Chicago, Illinois, chocolate in the form of a tower, the tower in the form of a French toast. I'm so happy right now talking about this. So the Bongo Room is all about me treating myself. And they're like, yes, you're gonna enjoy it, come on in. This is the only chocolate French toast that I've ever had with like little chocolate morsels studded in this bread. Chocolate shavings, white and dark, with a lake of banana brulee. They get you first with this bread they get from a bakery, the Red Hen. Bittersweet chocolate is studded in this bread.
You can actually see the chocolate chunks on the bread.
They cut it open, and then they take a mixture of mascarpone and banana pudding. Basically makes kind of like a pudding inside the bread. Oh, what? And they slice it 1 1/4 inches thick, and then they put it in the French toast egg mixture.
Which is eggs, half and half, sugar, and vanilla.
Now, while this is being cooked, are you ready for what goes on the plate? They have a banana brulee.
Which basically it's heavy cream, cream cheese, and blended banana as well.
I mean, banana brulee. Boom. Yes. And then they lay 3 thick slices of this toast that is so brown and so delicious.
And then we're gonna add the banana on top.
And then they put white and dark chocolate shavings all over it.
And we have a chocolate flour as well.
I need a minute. So before I start even eating, I pick up these little shavings. White chocolate, dark chocolate, and it is oh so good. Remember when I told you about that chocolate that was studded throughout the bread? Every now and then you hit one of those. It's just like this, and it's bitter. So all that sweet that I talked about, that bitter's there to say, hello, I'm here to balance you out. Of course I didn't eat the whole thing myself. Are you kidding? My husband was with me. If this isn't chocolate, French toast, mascarpone, brown sugar, maple overload, I don't know what it is, child, because this is where you're saying yes to yourself. Yes, I deserve it, yes. So anybody who needs to treat themselves, this is how you do it. Boom, shakalaka.